In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an entire folder from Google Drive. Whether you're needing to access important documents offline or simply want a backup of your files, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser. Any browser will do, so use the one you're most comfortable with, be it Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once your browser of choice is open, head over to your search bar and type in Google Drive. You're looking for the website that allows you to manage and access your files that are stored in Google's cloud. Once the search results populate, you'll want to click on the link that matches the URL Drive, google.com, Drive, quota. This URL specifically directs you to your Google Drive space, showing your current storage usage and your files and folders. If it's your first time using Google Drive on this computer or browser, you may need to log in. Enter your Google account credentials. This is usually the email and password associated with your Google account. And just like that, you're in. On the screen before you, you'll see all the folders and files you've stored in the cloud. Next comes the crucial step of finding the specific folder you intend to download. Take a moment to browse through your files. If you have a particularly crowded drive, use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the folder you're looking for. Once you've located it, click on the folder to select it. The folder should now be highlighted, indicating that it's ready for the next step. Now, to initiate the download, look towards the top of your Drive interface. You'll notice a row of icons. One of these icons resembles a downward-facing arrow, which is the download icon. Click this, and Google Drive will automatically begin preparing your folder for download. Alternatively, if you prefer right-clicking, simply right-click the folder you want to download, and from the menu that appears, select Download. When you choose to download a folder, Google Drive zips the folder and its contents into a single compressed file. This action helps to maintain the structure and organization of your files, making the download process smoother and more efficient. Keep in mind that depending on the size of the folder and the contents within, this zipping process might take a little time. But rest assured, it's happening. Once Google Drive has completed zipping your folder, the zip file will be saved to your computer. By default, this download will go to your computer's designated download location, typically a folder aptly named Downloads. And there you have it. Your entire folder is now ready and accessible on your local device.